First, let us run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. To run the troubleshooter, click Start, the Windows icon which is located at the taskbar, and then select Settings here. Find System in the left pane. Select Troubleshoot in this list. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Bluetooth in this list and click Run. When you run the Bluetooth troubleshooter on your device, the troubleshooter will perform a series of diagnostic tests to identify and resolve any issues related to Bluetooth connectivity. It may automatically apply a fix if one is available. So, problems found here can be found here, and select yes or no depending upon your problem. You can also click no if the issue is still persisting here. So click close and restart your computer when the troubleshooter has been finished completely. If the issue persists even after running the Bluetooth troubleshooter, you can reinstall the Bluetooth drivers from the device manager to fix this issue. To open the device manager, click search and type device manager here. Select device manager from the list. Find Bluetooth here. Expand it. Then find your generic Bluetooth drivers in the list. In my case, the generic Bluetooth driver is Intel or wireless Bluetooth, or in some devices, it may be Realtek or Qualcomm processor. So right click and then select uninstall device. You have to ensure this checkbox is selected when uninstalling the device. Select uninstall. So this process might take some time. Do not worry about reinstalling the drivers again. When you restart the computer, the drivers should be reinstalled again. Once the troubleshooter is completed, click Restart. If the issue persists after reinstalling the Bluetooth drivers, or if the Bluetooth driver is missing after the restart, it means that Bluetooth drivers are corrupted. So you have to reinstall the drivers again from the PC manufacturer website. Do that first, go to your manufacturer website, open any browser, and then go to your manufacturer website. For example, if it is Dell, I'm selecting Dell driver. If it is HP or Lenovo, select Lenovo drivers download. Automatically detect your PC. Select drivers and download in this list. Find drivers. Find Bluetooth in this list. So check if you have anything named Bluetooth here. Or you can also select here applications driver category. Okay, here it is. So find Bluetooth driver here and select download. Once the download is complete, install the drivers again. Click install.
Thank you for watching.